Imagine you're sitting at your desk, ready to dive into the world of Gemini. Question: ever felt that itch to explore the vast expanse of Gemini, but the fear of running out of funds has held you back? Well, worry no more. Today, we're going to demystify the process of adding money to your Gemini app. Building context. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why adding funds to your Gemini app is crucial. Think of it as filling up your car's gas tank. Without fuel, you can't go anywhere. Similarly, without funds in your Gemini app, you're limited in what you can do. Adding funds, step by step. Now, let's get to the main event. How do you actually add money to your Gemini app? Open the Gemini app. The first step is obvious, right? Open the Gemini app on your device. Navigate to the Wallet section, look for a section labeled Wallet or something similar. This is where you'll manage your funds. Select Add Funds. Once you're in the Wallet section, you should see an option to add funds or deposit. Tap on it. Choose your payment method. Gemini offers various payment methods. You can choose between credit cards, debit cards, bank transfers, or even cryptocurrency. Select the method that suits you best. Enter the amount. Input the amount of money you want to add to your Gemini account. Make sure to double-check the amount before proceeding. Provide payment details. Depending on your chosen payment method, you'll need to provide the necessary details. This might include your card number, expiration date, CVV code, or bank account information. Confirm and submit. Review the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. Common issues and solutions. While the process of adding funds to Gemini is generally straightforward, you might encounter some common issues. Let's address a few. Transaction declined. If your transaction is declined, it could be due to several reasons. Check if you have sufficient funds in your bank account, if your card details are correct, or if there are any issues with your Gemini account. Delayed transactions. Sometimes, transactions can take a few minutes or even hours to process. If your transaction is delayed, be patient. If it takes an unusually long time, contact Gemini's customer support. Security concerns. Gemini prioritizes security. If you're concerned about the safety of your funds, rest assured that Gemini employs robust security measures to protect your information. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when adding funds to your Gemini app. Consider fees. Some payment methods might involve fees. Be aware of any associated charges before making a transaction. Check transaction history. Regularly review your transaction history to ensure everything is in order. Contact support if needed. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out to Gemini's customer support. Conclusion. Adding funds to your Gemini app is a simple process that opens up a world of possibilities. Whether you want to explore new cryptocurrencies, trade stocks, or simply invest your money, having funds in your account is essential. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.